The Yuantong Chinese Temple. Hello, I'm Jonah Bart and I'm here at the Buddhist temple. They're celebrating the Year of the Dog. It's my year. Tuig sa mga ido. So these are the traditional dog figures. Very prominent during the Chinese New Year celebration, and I'm so proud and happy because I was born in the Year of the Dog. Red is an auspicious color in the Chinese tradition, so everything is all in red, and also gold, which is, I believe, the symbol for money. So red in Ilonggo is pula, and gold is bulawan. So as you can see, the most prominent dog here is red in color. The rest are little puppies colored white, puti. It feels like you are in Chinatown or in Hong Kong, going around like this. So it's full of bright lights and happy Chinese colors. The dog is the center of attraction in this year's celebration. This is the main temple where people offer prayers and make wishes. Paano himuon, sir?
Ano ma'am?
Ma-wish?
Donation. Prayer mo na mami. Itong-tong mo na sa
May prayer?
ma-wish ka na sa yung tayo donation na.
Okay.
Pray mo.
So they offer candles, make a wish, and offer donations. Any lang? Sige. Pasit will make a wish. So she's being given a candle, and she wishes for long life. Alright. So she will offer a candle and make a wish.
Ako sa insect na nakawis ko yan ang tagaan niya ako kang mayo pa na kabuhi at nailawas.
Yes, amen. My turn to make a wish. Kung ano nga kung handom. Handom is my wish. And it's my secret. Sikreto lang. Up there is the Bell Temple, and at 12 o'clock midnight, people are gonna line up that bell tower and ring the bell 3 times and make a wish. Furthermore, I vow to benefit myself and others. Do good, speak good, and think good. If only people would do the 3 acts of goodness, this world would be a better place. Amen? I'm eating the Chinese tikoy, which is a Chinese sticky food traditionally believed to make good fortune stick. So, Happy New Year from Yuantong Chinese Temple here in Bacolod City. Kung He Fat Choi, Happy New Year to all.